You may worry about crashes when you're behind the wheel, but a new report suggests that you should also be worried about them while you're walking. Advocacy groups Smart Growth America released a report on pedestrian crashes. It looked at traffic crashes from 2003 to 2012, and trends show while riding in a car has become historically less dangerous, we aren't making safety advances for people walking along some of the same streets. Pedestrian deaths made up almost 15% of all the traffic deaths in 2012. That's up about 6% from the previous year, and it represents a 5-year high. The report says driving deaths have been reduced with laws and airbags and mandatory seat belts and steeper penalties for drunk driving. But it says pedestrian deaths are more about the way our cities are designed, making them harder to prevent. At a conference last month at Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, experts called for changes to protect our people on the sidewalks.
We used to call motor vehicle injuries accidents because we thought they were random acts. It was fate. It's not true. There are things we can do to prevent them. There are aspects of both driving and walking that we know increase the risk.
Now, the numbers show 700 people in Baltimore City are struck by cars every year. 100 of those folks don't survive. Safety changes being implemented in Baltimore include more lead time for light changes and extra officers patrolling some of the busy intersections. Researchers will look at the stats again in about 6 months to see the impact of some of those changes.